right here, I'm trying to construct a permanent net. Yeah, a permanent net. That is what I'm trying to do here now. So now at the angle, we use join the frame together for the final thing at the net. You got one? I'm about doing the last part of it, which is the net. You put the net, then try to install it. I don't finish. So what you just mean to put the net, then I go install all the simplest way.
This is a point where he wants to buy some of the net materials for the armor core GMP work. And at this point, I think he's not seeing what he wants to buy in this store. As a sign of integrity, he has refused to use substandard materials because he wants to give his customers the best of what they have paid for. I think this is an excellent spirit in terms of African craft. At this point, he's stopping over to check another store to see if he can get the actual material that he is looking for.
How is that mistake? Once you don't like this now, you can't look for the window frame. Use to right arm, the left and the right. You go use the hand now, wrong by itself. This one now, we will promote this one. I was looking at the permanent net. If you don't like this now, you know how much to go from. Pass it, enter. So my Facebook handle for you to reach me is Santi Prince. The Santi is SANTI. The Prince is PROINZ. Only one Santi Prince. Then my WhatsApp number is 08051201104. That is how you have to get me.
So do you work only, where do you work? Do you have any specific location, or you can work anywhere?
I can work anywhere, but my main location now is at Ruboku and the Pokodu Water Court. That's where that's where I base for now. So please patronize a brother. I will be very glad. I will always deliver your work 100%.